Alright guys, same doing a recipe. Pretty easy here. I have some carrots, which here also have a fresh greens mix, some garlic, and this here is grass-fed, hormone-free beef, ground beef that I have. So as you can see, it looks different, comes in a different package. There you go. So it is a different type of beef. And if you've never had grass-fed beef or anything, it tastes different and it's leaner. It has a nice taste to it. The meat is almost like fluffier in a way as well, and it tastes sort of like a wild game. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna cook this up. I'm gonna show you how it looks, and then these are great for easy greens, so you don't have to prepare a lot of things. All right, and I'll be right back. So I have the garlic, as you can see. This is water. It's not oil. It's not anything like that. So I'm not pan searing it. So I have the grass-fed, hormone-free, farm raised beef. As you can see, it even looks different. And if you've ever had it, it even smells different out of the package. Okay, so what I have also for seasoning, garlic salt. So you get the little the garlic aroma from the fresh garlic, and then you get the garlic aroma from the garlic salt. And then we got fennel seeds, oregano, some black pepper, and yeah, I'm gonna cook it all up, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the carrots in, and then so here is the grass-fed beef all done up. As you can see, it's all cooked up. The fat is pretty much rendered out as well. Okay, so it actually goes really well with the water. And you might be wondering where the greens are. So here's my greens. So what am I going to do? I'm not going to actually stick the greens into the water this time. I'm actually just going to put the meat on top of it while the meat is still hot. It will actually cook and make this nice and soft. So so it's going to be like lying in a bed of greens, and sort of like almost like a little tiny like a salad, but this is still hot and has some of the juice from meat that's going to go in there, and it's going to make everything nice and soft as well. So I'll be right back. Alright, there it is. So it's finally done. As you can see, it looks really nice, and taste-wise, let's just do a quick taste test, shall we? As you can see, the meat is harder and much more dense. So taste-wise, it's really good. You get the crunch, you get the texture from the greens on the bottom sitting there, and then you get the flavor of all the herbs that go in with it. Added a little bit of parsley to it as well. It goes well. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.